Okay, I'm going to making a very special ice cream cone cup, and what I did on my water slide is I printed a waffle cone. I'm going to record this because I don't know if it's going to work or not, so just in case it does work, I have something I can work with you on. So this is my room temperature water, so I'm going to put my water slide in here very carefully. And while my water slide is in here, I'm going to try and make sure it's completely immersed. I'm going to get my cup wet, which I spray painted. I actually this time used gloss, and I normally use a flat spray paint is what I normally use, but this time I use gloss. And going to ask me for the reason, I don't really have one other than I had some gloss I wanted to use up, and I was hoping it would slide a little bit better with the gloss also. So I could see it starting to separate here a little bit, so I'm just going to kind of work it so I get the water underneath here. And again, this was on a water slide on a white. Put it in there again just so I can have some water to work with on the cup. Again, I don't know how this is going to come out. I'm going to bring it down some so I can hopefully fold it on the underneath of the cup, because it doesn't matter if it's crooked because that's going to be covered by the ice cream. So all I'm doing now is trying to push all these air bubbles out. And move that over a little bit. See. I'm probably going to have to trim it down some. You know what I saw crafting with creepsakes do is she cut this down and then folded it in. So let's give that a try and see if that works. I have no idea if it will. What I might do is take some of that off of there and fold that down. Get it a little wet again. And I'm hoping I have enough of this that I don't have to worry about the bottom of the cup. But I don't know. Please ignore Angel. She doesn't like to hear the tools running. And what I'll do is I'll take this piece and try and cover up some of the little boo-boos I got here where I might have rubbed a little too hard. I'm gonna get it wet again, and I'm just gonna press down the corners, and I'm gonna put that on there. So I'm just going to try and carefully smooth this out to the best of my ability. I guess Angel will keep you a little entertained there. Normally they do this with fabric. I did not have fabric and I didn't have time to get fabric. So I'm hoping I can make this work. I'm hoping. It's got a couple little bumps in it. And I'm trying to press those up and press those down. I'm going to keep my hands pretty wet. So there we have step one, and I will be back to work with you on the next steps.